A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the power of regularity and rhythm, transcending time and space step by step. Ladies and gentlemen, throughout history, the pursuit of overcoming the constraints of time and space has driven humanity's greatest achievements. From the towering pyramids of the Egypt to the boundless digital revolution, every remarkable leap has been built upon a fundamental truth. Lasting transformations do not occur in haste, but through patient, deliberate steps. The most enduring civilizations, the most profound discoveries, and the most extraordinary personal triumphs all bear testament to the power of steady, rhythmic progress. Ancient wisdom reinforces this principle across cultures. The Tao Te Ching states, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The Bhagavad Gita speaks of yoga of action, where consistent effort shapes destiny. Stoic philosophy, from Marcus Aurelius to Epictetus, emphasizes discipline is the movement, recognizing that mastery over time is achieved by mastering the present. These teachings converge on a singular lesson: transcending limitations is not about forceful leaps, but about steady, rhythmic progress, much like the flow of a river shaping mountains over millennia. Modern existence, with its relentless pace, often neglects this wisdom. The pursuit of instant gratification and limitless expansion results in exhaustion, anxiety, and disorientation. The mind races ahead, the body lags behind, and the spirit is left yearning for balance. To overcome these constraints, the principle of step-by-step progress, coupled with regularity and rhythm, must be applied across all dimensions: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, and aspirational. Let's look at each aspect deeply. Physically, well-being is sustained not through sporadic exertion, but through steady discipline. The world's longest living cultures, such as those in Okinawa and Sardinia, attribute their longevity to daily rituals: walking, mindful eating, and consistent movement. The body thrives when nurtured with rhythmic practices, whether in exercise, sleep, or nutrition. Great martial artists and yogis emphasize the importance of daily physical discipline, demonstrating that true strength is not built in a day, but forged through unyielding consistency. Mentally, the sharpest minds are cultivated through structured, disciplined learning. The polymaths of history Leonardo da Vinci, Confucius, Aristotle did not amass wisdom overnight. They understood that knowledge, like a great river, deepens over time through regular practice. Just as musicians master instruments through daily repetition, intellectual mastery requires continuous engagement. Emotionally, resilience is built through rhythmic self-mastery. In a world that encourages reactionary impulses, those who cultivate balance find true strength. Rumi reminds, try not to resist the changes that come your way. Instead, let life shape you like the ocean shapes the cliffs. Emotional stability is achieved through regular introspection, meditation, and mindful responses rather than hasty reactions. Spiritually, enlightenment does not arrive suddenly, but is the result of disciplined practice. The Buddha reached awakening after years of meditative regularity. The world's great sages did not seek instantaneous transcendence, but embraced the process of steady self-refinement. Step by step, rhythm by rhythm, layers of illusion dissolve, revealing deeper truths. Aspirationally, the most remarkable achievements are realized not through impatience but through unwavering consistency. The Great Wall of China and the Renaissance stand as historical testaments to structured progress, while modern feats such as the moon landing, the rise of cutting-edge artificial intelligence, and breakthroughs in medicine like the development of life-saving vaccines all underscore the power of disciplined step-by-step advancement. Pioneers in every field demonstrate that world-changing aspirations take shape through persistent rhythmic effort. What's the way forward? The way forward in these extraordinary times is through internal fortification, one step at a time, in harmony with the rhythm of nature. Sustainable transformation occurs not in bursts of intensity, but in the steady pulse of regularity. Just as the heart beats in a measured rhythm and the seasons flow in a cyclic order, human progress flourishes through structured and intentional movement. Let practical examples illustrate this truth. The elite athletes who master their craft do not rely on sporadic efforts but on daily training regimes. The authors who craft literacy masterpieces write with unwavering discipline, one page at a time. The world's most enduring businesses thrive through strategic long-term planning rather than impulsive decisions. In every field, those who understand the rhythms of progress outlast and outperform those who seek shortcuts. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when the world demands haste, steadiness must be chosen. When chaos threatens, patience must be embraced, and when limitations seem insurmountable, the secret to transcending time and space is not to resist them, but to walk forward with unwavering rhythm, knowing that in each measured step, eternity itself unfolds. Just as the ocean shapes the shore through persistent waves and the moon commands the tides in celestial harmony, true transformation is achieved through regularity. The Bhagavad Gita declares, "Set thy heart upon thy work, but never on its reward. Perform work in the spirit of devotion." This timeless wisdom calls for steadfastness in action without attachment to immediate results. In every aspect of existence, the steady beat of discipline and perseverance is the key to boundless possibilities. Those who align themselves with the rhythm of disciplined action find that in time, even the impossible bends to their will. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.